Hello! Hi everyone. So today we are going to be making cookies. We're gonna be making marble cookies, shapes like leaves. I'm gonna be really honest, I don't actually know if I have a leaf-shaped cookie cutter. So we'll see. Both the dough and the icing are going to be marbled. I am not a chef. I am not a baker. I am really not good with this stuff, so we're gonna see how it goes. I found the recipe online. So we're not gonna be using food coloring. And honestly, it kind of creeps me out. It's a little too unnatural for my taste. I mean, that kind of blue just doesn't exist in nature. So anyways, we are going to be using natural dyes. I got these freeze-dried strawberries from Kroger. We're gonna pulverize them and then try to make that like a light pink. And then I'm also gonna use some cocoa powder in the dough to make a brown. So hopefully it'll end up looking kind of like fall leaves. And if nothing else, then we'll have strawberry cocoa sugar cookies. And those sound pretty good. Stay tuned and let's get baking. First, we're gonna try to find the cookie cutter. I have no idea what we have in here. We have a lot of horse-themed ones, hopefully a leaf. I don't know, we'll see. A pumpkin. This has potential. This has potential. What is this? How do we have multiple boot cookie cutters, but not one leaf? Not one. So the cookies turned out beautifully. Do they look like leaves? Not necessarily, no, but they taste great. Because of the 3 individual flavors, each different cookie was a little bit unique in taste. The strawberry is pretty subtle, but not as subtle as you'd expect. And the cocoa powder kind of made it taste like a brownie. So all together, they were so good. I ended up deciding not to ice them because on their own, the flavors were so delicious that I didn't really want to take away from that. I would absolutely recommend this recipe. It's perfect for fall. It's perfect for truly any time of year. And you could even swap out the different flavors, you know? If you wanted to get super adventurous, you could make an orange food coloring by doing a little bit of sweet potato. That'd be good, right? Like, subscribe, or don't. I can't control what you do. Thanks for watching.